Hi, my name's Anthony with Natural Networks. Today, I'm going to give you a tour of our CloudPBX desktop software. So this program will automatically come up every time you reboot your computer, start up automatically. If you're ever missing it or don't see it, look down in the system tray by your clock and it'll look kind of like a blue Wi-Fi signal. On this screen here, this is what we call the present screen, and this shows you everybody in the office, every extension. And it color codes them. So we can see that myself, Anthony, I have my away on and I'm orange. Mei Ling is got her out of office on and she's red. Lisa, Michael, they're green, so they're available. If one of them were to be on the phone, they would change from green to yellow. Now also from right here, we can do a bunch of different things. If we wanted to call one of these people in the office, all we have to do is double click on them. So I could, as an example, double click on Michael here, and my phone would pick up my speaker phone, and it would automatically call Michael. Now, let's say hypothetically, if Michael was busy. Well, I could also call his cell phone. And to call somebody's cell phone, you can right click on their name and say call mobile. Notice there's some other options here, such as leave them a voicemail. Maybe you know they're not at their desk, but they never put their do not disturb on or they're out of office. So instead of their phone ringing 4 times and then going to voicemail, you could go right to their voicemail. You can also intercom them. Intercom is where their speakerphone turns on automatically without them having to do anything, and you can just start talking to them. Another way I could call a cell phone is I could just start typing in the names. So if somebody wanted to call in the office, wanted to call my cell phone, they can just start typing in my name and it shows up right there. Click on it and it'll automatically dial your phone for you. Now, if I click this arrow here, it'll take me to basically the same thing where I can call their extension, call the mobile, leave a voicemail, intercom, etc. The next tab we have at the bottom here, this first one we covered, the presence information. This next tab is contacts. Now the contacts here are both company and personal. Company is something that everybody in the company sees. Personal, only you will see it. Now the way to add somebody to the company phone book or to your personal one is by clicking on these three dots and click on Add Contact. Fill out the information, name, company name, different phone numbers, and they will get added to your personal one. If you're able to add to the company phone book, you will have a checkbox up here, Add to Company. I don't have that ability, that permission, so I don't have that checkbox. And then to call one of these people, all you have to do is double click on them. Now, if I was over here, I could also type in the name. So again, I'm back at the present screen where it's showing me all the extensions, but it'll at the same time search the address book. And then all I got to do is click on it and it calls that phone number for me. The next one we've got down here is a call history. So this will show you a list of every incoming, outgoing, and missed call for your phone. And you've got the ability to A, show all calls, B, only show me the incoming, only show me the outgoing, or only show me the missed calls. And this records a caller ID information, their name, their phone number, date and time of the call, and if you were on the phone, how long were you on the phone for? And then from here, you can double click on any one of these and it will dial that phone number for you. Next tab we've got is voicemail. So if you have voicemail go to your phone where it flashes a red light, it will also show up in here. And then you can choose to listen to it from here on your computer speakers or play it on your phone. Most people have all their voicemail go to email. That said, there's still one other neat thing in here to help you with voicemail. That's this little music icon. So you click on that guy. This gets you to a spot where you can record your greeting message. And you can record multiple greetings. So you'll want to have your default one, hi, this is Anthony, I'm not here right now. Leave your name, number at the beep. And the way I would do that is I would just click on this record icon. My phone would make a funny noise. I'd pick it up, do my recording, and hang up. Now, when I do that, it also prompts me to give it a name. So I could just say default recording. And then, like I said, my phone's going to make a noise and I pick it up. What's nice about this is that I can pre-record multiple recordings and have them saved. And I can take it one step farther with statuses and have it play a different recording when I change my status. So as an example, I could set it up where if I change my status to out of office, it plays a recording that says I'm out of the office today. And when I come back into the office and I set myself back to available, green, then it goes back and plays my normal recording. And you can have as many recordings as you like, and you can pick from these drop-down lists once you've recorded them and named them, and they'll show up right here. Some other things we have that'll be covered in another video, some more advanced things. We have the ability to do web meetings, where even if you don't have a webcam, you can share your desktop and work with others, interact on projects. The video conferencing is not limited to people in the office. This video/web conferencing, kind of like Zoom, as long as somebody's got internet, they can get the free app for their phone and be part of that group. Let's go back. Now, one of the things I've mentioned a few times is statuses. And how do you change your status? Well, that's right up here. So all I got to do is click on this down arrow and I get the 5 different statuses. Available, away, etc. And all I've got to do is click one, such as away, and now all of a sudden it's yellow. To change back, just click and click on available again. Now there's also this little arrow here that points to the right. That allows you to customize each one of these. So what I can do is for away, I could click this right arrow, could put a little message here, maybe out to lunch, and I can have the system, if I want, automatically switch back to available after, say, an hour. And then I can tell the system what should happen with calls from inside the office. Well, maybe calls from inside the office, I want them to forward to my extension. And external calls, I want them just to go right to voicemail. Now, if you notice, there's many options here. It can go to voicemail. It can go to another extension in the office. So I can basically forward my phone to somebody else. Go to my cell phone. I can go to any external number. So I could type in any normal US telephone number here and forward that call to that. I can send it to a system extension. That's generally for things like auto attendance or ring groups. And I could even just give them a busy signal if I really wanted to. So we always recommend get in here, mess with it, learn it, test it. So call yourself, call your own cell phone. That's the best way to learn it, is to use it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call or email us. And stay tuned for more advanced videos.